All right, so once we've signed up with HLX to be able to run alpha, what we're going to have to do is actually get a broker account. So the first thing you're going to do is in this message, in this welcome message, there'll be a link. It'll be this link right here. But when you click on it, it'll bring up the broker. Majority of you guys are going to click individual. If you're going to run it under an LLC, then you would click company. But majority of you guys will be individual. From here, select your title, put your name, your email address. I'll do phone number, put my phone number in there, click next. Then what you're going to want to do is put in your birthday. So you're just going to go through this process. 92, gender male. You're going to put in all your information. And then, okay, password. I'll use my own password. And then you're going to create this account. Once you're here, you put in how much how much money you make, whatever the case is. We'll just do some random stuff. Self-employed or employed. Go through, click all these. Just gonna click no for this one. Currency, you're doing USD. Platform, you're going to do MT4. Account type is going to be an ECN. Currency, USD. And then just click all four of these rather, and then complete. So once you do that, then you'll actually have a broker account. It'll look something like this. We'll go ahead and save that. Welcome. Done. Click on done over here, and you're inside your account. The next thing you're going to want to do is open up a demo account. So if you see here, click on open demo account. Your currency, same thing, USD, ECN, your leverage 1 to 200, and then your starting balance. You can do whatever you want. Really, you want to choose whatever you're planning to start with. Let's say 1,000, 3,500. So if you're going to put 5K into an account, we'll go ahead and put 5,000. Click OK and create. Once you create the account, you're going to see it right here. So this demo account is the one you just created with $5,000. So once it's here, the first thing you're going to want to do is come over to this little gear icon and just type in a password. So we're going to change the password, and you're going to type in a password that you can remember. So we'll do that, and we'll change the password. The next thing that you're going to want to do is copy this broker number right here. We're going to copy that. We're going to log into our higher level FX, which is what you guys just purchased the membership for. To run the software, we're going to log into this. It's going to be, I think that's what it was. Perfect. So we're in here. And then what you're going to want to do is come over here to membership. And then inside of here, click on here, and you're going to want to paste that broker number that you just got right here. So this number right here, that from your LQD, from your broker, you're going to want to actually paste in right here and then push submit. So once you're done with that, you have the broker account. You've changed the password for the broker account. You've submitted the broker number into the back office of your higher level FX. So that's how the software will link that you're a paying customer. And then that's pretty much all you need to do right now for getting the broker and all of that set up. So we'll go ahead and stop this recording now, and then we'll do another video to go over like how to actually set everything up.